Hi guys, I'm showing you this OBD2 car analyzer diagnostic tool. So this is the updated diagnostic tool, and that you can see can be connected through the Bluetooth with your mobile and the Wi-Fi. So I will just show the unboxing first. This is the tool that you plug it into your car. So this is a manual how you can use it and the app which you need to install to get it work. So I'm scanning the app so that I can open the app store. I'm installing it. So in the meanwhile I just put my credentials on to open the app store and then show you the install of this app. So app is installed. I open that, get it connected. So this is how you connect it, and then we need to put that in the car to show you the demo. So I put it in my car. This is a very old car, like 2001, so that I can see if it can diagnose and figure it out. This is my app thing that shows how we can connect, and you can see through all of this like different features or the styles. Maybe some of the features will not work with my car because of it's too old, but and this one is like you have to actually give the ignition to your car, so your car should be in the running condition or start it so that the app or the device can be connected well with your app. So I started my car, and now it is starting diagnosing it. So this is the whole demo like of the app itself or the different features of the app. Hope this will be helpful for you. It's a general diagnostic tool. It can actually read any warning or anything from your car and tell you if anything is bad or wrong or something is going on with your car. So hope you are able to see like the ignition thing. So you have to give the RPM, it will read up. And you can see your car and everything working live on the app, how this is going to do. So I'm not running this car because I'm recording, so some of the brake features and things will not show up, but of course you can try with the different things with this app and the tool. Hope this video and the app features will be helpful to understand what this tool can do and how this can be useful for you.